Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, May 4, 2021. Today's video is about Guillaume Tell. Guillaume Tell, Guillaume Tell, is a French-language opera in 4 acts by the Italian composer Gioachino Rossini, first performed in 1829. This watercolor illustration shows costume designs by Eugène Du Faget for 3 characters for the opera's premiere, from left to right: Laure Cinti-Damoreau as Mathilde, Adolphe Nourrit as Arnold Melchtal, and Nicolas Levasseur as Walter Furst. The picture had previously been cut up into 3 separate images, one for each character, and has here been restored. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.